I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi Alex here, good morning with autonomous trading. Today we are referring to one more stock pick, which you have hundreds on the blog of the company for you to make millions of dollars in the stock market, absolutely guaranteed, as I've been saying here repeatedly for more than 3 decades. Today I'm going to talk about this company that if you make a survey, more than 98% of Americans, they never invested, including Warren Buffett. I'm referring to DocuSign. And DocuSign, it was stamped with the highest price target in the world by myself. DocuSign as well as Zoom Video. You can read it here. DocuSign and Zoom Video, they have been major constituents of the pandemic economic portfolio to outperform in the markets. You can click here since we discuss stocks since IPO, unlike scammers on Wall Street. And you have here the chart, the recommendation public to buy shares of DocuSign, since all my customers, they had massive positions in investment positions in this company and many others, which you have here, invest in cloud software, for example, in Zoom Video, in Twilio. I'm referring obviously to all of them, free stock picks, Okta, and Shopify. So for all of them, you have here articles. And those articles, they refer obviously to free stock picks, recommendations in real time, unlike scammers on the web. So with regards to DocuSign, you just have, this is a free chart, okay? So the recommendation, we are long this stock, or we have been long this stock. And you can click on the free chart to see what did happen. In fact, I can do it here. So I'm going to click on this button. This chart was posted in real time. These DocuSign, it was named, for your information, zero risk investment. For those, for example, that they missed the tremendous rally in shares of Zoom Video, I came in and say that you had the opportunity to participate in Twilio, DocuSign, even Overstock.com, and many others. Okay, although there are different. Overstock is not a cloud software company, or the case of Wayfair, for example. Anyway, I'm going to click here, and you are going to see that this stock continued rallying, never seen any pullback whatsoever, and today new all-time highs in shares of DocuSign. So only a complete idiot will not ever had invested in DocuSign, Twilio, Shopify, and obviously Okta and many others, PayPal, which we named the lifetime holding, or the case of Tesla, the case of Ferrari, and so on. Having said this, just to terminate, Mr. Warren Buffett has never invested in any of these companies. On the contrary, his portfolio crashed, and that is the reason why it crashed. Thank you.